अभी टाइम कितना हो रहा है आज? व्हाट इज द डेट टुडे? 6:30 मॉर्निंग।
26/11/20
हाँ,
डेट है 26/11/20
26/11। ओके, एंड वी आर द 2 स्टूडेंट हियर। दिस इज, ये देखो, चलो चलो बोलो, नहीं तो तुमको पैसा नहीं मिलेगा। अभी तो तुमको हम पैसा, हाँ वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। और छोटी, देखो छोटी मेरी बेटी है, हम तो पढ़ाई देंगे। अब तुम आप कहना कि अपने मामा से कहना कि देखो हम तुम्हारी बहन को पढ़ा रहे हैं, इतना पैसा हमको दोगे? इसका तो ट्यूशन दो कम से कम। आ जाओ आ जाओ, जल्दी आ जाओ, पढ़ो बे। और ले,
हम अपना बाल बांध सकते तो हम बाल लेते हैं ना।
हाँ अपना बाल बांध लो। तुमने जहाँ कहा कि मम्मी मेरा बाल बांधो, उसी दिन तुम्हारा पूरा गंजा कर देंगे।
ऊपर से बाल नहीं बांध पाते इसलिए।
चलो बैठ जाओ, चलो जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ाओ। So
Every
it is
day-
time. Today's it is today. It is 26 November, 2020 today, and we are going to celebrate our what?
Constitution Day.
Constitution Day. India Constitution Day. So Vaigyanik Alan Rama will tell preamble to these 2 students. We are. I am and she is. Okay. So if Alan will teach me, I will give him his fees. But who will give the fees? Hey, where is gone? Wait. But who will give the fees of this student? ये लो, ये ऐसे स्टूडेंट है कि हम लोग पढ़ेंगे ही नहीं। अब क्या होगा?
मार के चटाक चटाक के डर के लाएंगे तुम।
चलो ठीक है, चलो स्टार्ट करो। अच्छा ठीक, एक वो भी स्टूडेंट है, देखो ये कितनी खतरनाक,
बिजी है।
खेलने में बिजी है। एक्चुअली कुछ खेल भी तो होना चाहिए ना। अरे वाह वाह यार। दीज ऑल आर द बुक्स related to our constitution, some of rules, e-laws, information technology, intellectual property law, and these of our
Trust
rules,
laws.
yes, pension rules, society and trust law, and many
Indian
things.
legal and constitutional
Indian legal
history.
and constitutional history. This will you show to your lenders. You know, lenders. You are lending money to them. So means I have this much book. I will read also. Okay, you tell.
I have this much book.
Okay, okay. So books. So the
I
books
will read also.
fast. Otherwise, you know, जल्दी। वो ऊपर के नहीं बे, नीचे का दिखा दो। ये ऊपर का साफ करो बे। जो जिस लायक है उसका वही काम कराना है कि नहीं?
ये देखो प्रॉपर्टी।
बस बस वो एक बार ऐसे पोस्ट दो। हाँ,
ई लॉज
जो साफ हो उसको सारा रख देना है। ये दिखा दो ये क्या बुक है? हाँ हाँ, इंडियन
हिस्ट्री,
हम्म
क्रिमिनल मेजर एक्ट्स।
इसे नहीं दिख रहा है हमको। ये क्रिमिनल मेजर एक्ट्स, हाँ ओके। फिर 2 हो गया।
हाँ
ये अभी हटाओ, ऊपर वाला सब ये बाद में आएगा। पहले वो नीचे वाला ही दिखाओ, साफ करती जाओ, तुम हटा लो। हाँ ये बस 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 ये। हाँ अब यहाँ से चलो।
ये है
सोसाइटी
एंड ट्रस्ट लॉज।
हाँ ये 3rd बुक हो गई तुम्हारी।
सबका
हाँ,
एक है ना?
ये दिखाओ ना, ये भाई है, ये सर्विस का रूल्स होता है। ये लिखा है CCS
CA
rules. This is used in service, you know, when every government servant सर्विस बे, लाइक हम लोग जैसे गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट है ना, तो हम लोग को इसी रूल को फॉलो करना पड़ता है। ओके चलो वो दिखाओ। पेंशन compilations rules. This is also used for the central CCS rules. What is written?
CCS pensions rules.
CCS means Central Civil Services
Central Civil
रूल्स ना। ओके और ये क्या तुम कैसे बुक रखना नहीं आ रहा है? तुमको नहीं रखना आ रहा है कि अभी एक एक दिखाओ, उसको सही से रखो ना वहाँ पर।
वही ये है लॉ प्रोड्यूसर।
राइट, हाँ लॉ प्रोड्यूसर नहीं यार, सही से पढ़ो। प्रोसीजर
ऑफ डिपार्टमेंटल इंक्वायरीज, wrongful dismissals and
disciplinary
actions.
Government and private
servants.
Do you understand what does it mean?
Private servants मतलब?
Okay, this is a question. You will write in your question copy.
Hmm.
So government and private means private servant also. Just like many
This is
companies
also
are there.
second edition.
Yes. So law and procedure of departmental inquiries. Suppose the owner of any company wants to remove any employee, so he had to follow these rules. Departmental inquiry.
The rules written in this
Rules
book.
and procedure, how will get a departmental inquiry and he will be out of the service. The wrongful dismissal, if wrongful dismissal means dismissal means out of the service. Okay, so if the owner, employer dismiss means out to the service,
Hmm.
it is done wrongful manner. Okay. Disciplinary actions means if disciplinary, if a servant does not follow in the rules, so he have to follow, he had to charge on disciplinary actions. So if the employer does wrong, okay, so employer will be false. If the government servant or private servant will be do mistakes, then he will be in fault. So these rules will tell government and employment servant na.
You
Very good.
सरकारी और
Yes, I have to follow these rules.
You have to.
Yes. This is for me also, government and private ना. Okay, और दिखाओ ये क्या है?
ये e-laws information technology.
Yes. So can you guess where it is used, this law?
E-laws information technology. Computer.
Yes, whenever you derive any software in computer na, so other person cannot cheat you, that he will say it is made by me, so give me money. No. Information technology, if you do any something special thing in computer technology, information technology na, you will be owner of that one.
Means if I make a means any software.
Yes. Suppose you make any software, so you will be the owner of that one, and the other person will pay you.
When
So
they
these
use
rules,
my
these
computer.
rules follow. Yes. So keep it. Okay, and then another one. That's one. Yes, this is the what type? Intellectual
property laws.
Intellectual property laws. Professionals, This is again a book. Intellectual, understand? Property, the same thing.
Property मेरा property है.
Yes,
मेरा
property.
खेत ये.
Yes. Intellectual means the property earned by your mind. You software, you write any poem, you write any song, you make any, a computer, anything. So this law will give you the ownership of that one. Just like Amazon, Amazon, okay, Samsung, they are producing the same mobile. So if I will take technology from them, I have to pay to them because they have invented it. So these rules, applied in this type of activity.
For that, so some
Speak in English.
China also means copy the mobile made by other countries.
Yeah.
So he
has to face
means he has to give money to
Yes.
the country also, no?
Yes, when the China, any country, hides or steals any technology, the court is international court. In any India, if any person hide any technology from them, so we in Indian court, Supreme Court is there. But in the national, suppose India will not develop, any person of any citizen of India will develop any technology, and that technology is taken by any other person of India. So the Supreme Court will judge who has created and who has property laws, who has the property rights. But the China, so the international court is there. Okay,
Where is it?
just like vaccine in nowadays, corona disease is going on. So the countries are preparing vaccines. America is in leading. So American company, other whom will make the same vaccine, they have to pay the America. So these are the rules, and these all are books. Yes, and yes, ये थोड़ा दिखाओ. So you will read this all books, na? What is this? Okay, so
Richard Dawkins, the God.
Richards Dawkins, The
Dawkins,
God
the
Delusion.
God Delusion.
So it's a very famous book, and he deals with the God. How the God has invented by the people, or God has made the people, or God meeples. Yes,
Quran.
this is also Quran,
Pavitra Quran.
Pavitra Quran, and we have read somewhat. I have read some pages also. So earlier this was the rules, constitution.
Yeah, Pavitra Quran.
Yes, the peoples follow the rules of Quran. They take it not as a religious only. They take it, what to say, constitutional. Means the people have to follow all the rules of religion. How to marry, how to divorce, how to things change name, everything is governed by the religious books. And the problem is there, the Quran means Muslim people will say something different rules. The Hindu people, just like Gita is there is the Gita, that one, yes. This is the what?
Smallest book.
Srimad, read
Srimad
Bhagavad
Bhagavad
Gita. So this was the constitution for the Hindu. This was the constitution for the Muslim. Okay, earlier, but now, and they thought it is only final. No one can change. But in our constitution, it is emerging time to time. Many books, many laws is being made because it is live, and they have closed it. Earlier, these books were very good. They teach very well, but these are just like pond. Water has been stored. So what will be happen?
and this
The
constitution
society has
book.
changed. Yeah, so constitution book changes according to the society development.
And all the means क्या बोले PM and all means all the servant to write in the constitution.
Yes.
And they make new rules.
Yes,
Then
yes.
they also write in the constitution in another page.
Yes. So many other books also. This is the same writer. Okay, keep it. Richard Dawkins, and this is also Richard Dawkins. This is one of the world famous books. Richard
The
Dawkins.
selfish
Genes, yes. He will tell you why the peoples are different. Why some peoples are poor, some peoples are rich. Why some peoples are very intelligent. Yes, actually, she is telling like how the God has made the things. This is the research of the God. God means this is also
Why are people?
Bhagavad Gita, Quran. This is also in the search of the God, and this book also in the search of the God who has made genes. Okay,
That
keep it.
book is also-
Other books, just keep it. It is too much late here. Okay.
Dena Buchi.
Okay. So other books also, yeah.
This is John.
Huh.
Oh.
Then
Then
yes, Prem Yoga. Okay, read it now. Why have you keep it?
oh,
Prem
Swami
Yoga, Swami Vivekananda.
पतला है बहुत तब भी बहुत लिखा
हाँ,
ये कौन रखा
जल्दी बुक्स हटो. ये कौन सी?
उसके बाद है वैदिक रिलीजन और
Yes,
forestry
yes.
का
Again, it was
बराबर।
it was a constitution, and different people different make constitution. Some peoples will follow, some peoples will not follow. Okay, others.
Hey,
Do you want to do your work? Let her do her work.
नहीं?
Okay, this is about our. Yes, this is also
आनंद
की खोज. आनंद की खोज means actually God की खोज. God की खोज means all the rules and regulations. Who knows the God very well? What does the God want to us?
ना
So these are the. Okay, चलो और सो करो जल्दी.
ये है आधुनिक भारत के निर्माण की परियोजना पर एक विहंगम दृष्टि
Yes, Nehru.
मिथक और सत्य
Yes, this is one of the best book. So the people should read it one time actually. Have you read it?
and it
Have you read it?
and it is Hindi
In Hindi. So one of the best book. Okay. And this is AIDS Sutra. Okay, it may be AIDS. Actually, this is in disease. Disease. Yeah, this is a compilation of many writers. Salman Rushdie, Siddharth Dev, Kiran Desai, Nikita Lalwani, Vikram Seth, Nalini Jose. Means they have compiled AIDS. What is written here? Untold story from India, with a foreword by Amartya Sen. Do you know Amartya Sen? No. Amartya Sen is the Nobel Prize winner of Bengal in economics.
For what?
Economics. How to make the people rich? How to make the country rich? So he has written. He has not written this book. Actually, this is a compilation only. Amartya Sen, so very renowned person, and he is alive. Yeah, this is also In the Search of the God, consciousness,
deeper
scientific.
search.
Yes, where is the God? Where does he live? And it is written by Papers Read at a seminar. You read.
Papers read at a seminar held at the Ramakrishna Mission Institution of Culture, Golpark, Kolkata, India on 13, 14 and 15 January 2006.
Yes. So actually, Ramakrishna Mission, in the search of the God, just like we are in searching, na? Yes. And in every book, oh yes, yeah. And this is one of the last book, and one of the very important, yes.
Sati.
Stephen Covey, one of the famous book, world famous book it is. Just what is author of the
Author
7 habits of highly effective.
people.
Yes, 15
15
million.
million copies sold.
What does it mean by 15 million?
15
1 million means 10
10
lakh.
lakh.
So 115 million means
इसका
1 crore 50 lakh copies has been sold. इतना बुक छपा, इतनी बुक्स, because same book was reprinted ना. 1 crore 50 lakh people have purchased it. The third alternative is one of the best book which I have read till now. Solving life's most difficult problems. So actually these all are books related to the life problems. So this is also one of the best book, and this whole. So what do you want to tell your viewers? Anything special? This is our mother playing with the balloon, and this is our little tigress. What is her name?
वैज्ञानिक तस्लीमा गार्गी.
वैज्ञानिक. ए,
तस्लीमा गार्गी.
तुम्हारा नाम की बोलो तो. कम.
Hey, छोटा.
Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Today is 26 and it is time 7 o'clock. Today we are preparing for our preamble. So read some lines. What have you learned? We,
the people of India, solemnly resolved
to constitute India into
a
sovereign democratic republic. Okay, so anything more we will read, na? So what do you want to tell to your viewers? Something special means they should to read these books. What?
No, I want to say that you are saying this much book.
Yes.
But no afraid. I will read only one rule, one line.
Yes.
If you
So preamble will represent all these books, na? Preamble. So we will prepare our preamble also. So
Constitution.
thank you.
Thank you for watching this video.
Very good.